Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today in this video, I'm gonna show how to enable show suggestions option for phone link in settings app on Windows 11 build 23506. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And now let's begin. Now download the Vive tool from the link given in the description. After the file is downloaded, extract it to the following path. After extracting the file, run command prompt as administrator, and execute the following command. After executing the command, you'll need to restart your PC in order to see the changes. And now after restarting, you'll have the new option under Settings, Bluetooth, and Devices, under Phone Link. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.